For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video to more easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. Opening a Roth IRA is one of the smartest financial decisions you can make if you're looking to build long-term, tax-free wealth. With advancements in artificial intelligence, AI, it's easier than ever to open and manage a Roth IRA, even if you're new to investing. This guide will walk you through the step-by-step process of starting a Roth IRA using AI tools, so you can confidently take control of your financial future. Step 1. Understand what a Roth IRA is. Before jumping into the how-to, it's essential to understand what a Roth IRA is. A Roth IRA, individual retirement account, is a type of retirement savings account where you contribute after-tax dollars. Unlike traditional IRAs, your qualified withdrawals in retirement are completely tax-free. You can contribute up to a certain limit each year, e.g., $7,000 for those under 50 in 2025, and there are income eligibility limits for contributors. Benefits: tax-free growth, tax-free withdrawals in retirement, no required minimum distributions RMDs, flexibility to withdraw contributions, but not earnings, anytime. Step 2. Check your eligibility. AI can help determine if you're eligible to contribute to a Roth IRA. Use a financial chatbot or AI-powered tax software like TurboTax AI or ChatGPT to answer questions like, what's your modified adjusted gross income, Magi? Are you filing single or jointly? Are you within the contribution limits? You can also ask AI tools to estimate your Magi based on your income sources, deductions, and filing status. Step 3. Choose an AI-enhanced financial platform. Next, choose a financial institution that offers Roth IRA accounts and uses AI to help guide your investment decisions. Some of the best options include Betterment, robo-advisor with AI-driven investment strategies. Wealthfront uses AI for tax loss harvesting and goal-based planning. Fidelity Go combines AI with human advice. Charles Schwab Intelligent Portfolios offers automated AI investment advice. These platforms use AI algorithms to recommend diversified portfolios based on your age, goals, and risk tolerance. They also monitor your portfolio and rebalance it as needed. Step 4. Set your financial goals with AI help. Once you've selected a platform, most will guide you through a goal-setting process. Here's how AI helps. Personalized questions. The AI will ask you questions about your retirement age, income, financial goals, and risk appetite. Simulation tools. AI simulates different market scenarios to help you see how your investment might perform over time. Recommendation engine. Based on your inputs, the AI builds a custom investment strategy using ETFs, mutual funds, or individual stocks. You can also use standalone tools like ChatGPT to brainstorm and refine your financial goals. For example, you can ask, what are realistic retirement goals for someone who earns $60,000 per year at age 30? Step 5. Open and fund your Roth IRA. Now it's time to officially open your account. This usually takes 10 to 15 minutes. AI assistance includes guided forms. Robo-advisors auto-fill your information using secure data integrations. Contribution planning. AI can recommend how much to contribute monthly or yearly to maximize your returns and stay under IRS limits. Direct deposit setup. Some platforms use AI chatbots to walk you through connecting your bank account and scheduling automatic contributions. Tip: use ChatGPT or a robo-advisor's assistant to calculate how much you'll accumulate if you contribute, say, $500 per month for 30 years. Step 6. Select your investments using AI insights. Once your account is funded, you need to invest the money. Simply depositing funds in a Roth IRA isn't enough. They must be invested to grow. AI can build your portfolio. Robo-advisors automatically invest your money in a mix of assets, e.g., stocks, bonds, ETFs, based on your risk profile. Provide recommendations. AI engines like Morningstar's research tools or Fidelity's AI assistant suggest funds with strong performance and low fees. Manage diversification. AI ensures your portfolio remains balanced across sectors and risk levels. Platforms like Wealthfront also allow you to customize portfolios with thematic investing, e.g., tech, clean energy, using AI to align with your personal values. Step 7. Automate and optimize with AI. After investing, AI continues to work behind the scenes to optimize your returns. Here's what it can do. Automatic rebalancing ensures your investments stay aligned with your original asset allocation, adjusting for market fluctuations. Tax optimization. Although Roth IRAs are tax-advantaged, some platforms use AI to determine the most efficient way to grow your funds by reducing hidden costs. AI alerts. Set up smart notifications for portfolio performance, investment opportunities, or contribution reminders. Some platforms even send AI-generated monthly reports summarizing your growth, fees, and how you're tracking toward your retirement goal. Step 8. Review and adjust with AI insights. It's a good habit to review your Roth IRA at least quarterly. Use AI to make this process efficient. Ask ChatGPT or a robo-advisor assistant. Is my Roth IRA on track to meet my retirement goals? Scenario analysis tools. Platforms like Betterment or Schwab let you run AI simulations to see how changing your contributions or retirement age affects outcomes. AI-based risk assessment. Periodically reevaluate your risk tolerance. As you get older or your life circumstances change, AI can suggest portfolio shifts. Step 9. Keep learning with AI education tools. Understanding how your Roth IRA works empowers better decisions. AI tools offer personalized learning experiences. AI tutors, like ChatGPT, can explain investing basics, tax rules, compound interest, and more. Platform-specific AI guides, like those on Fidelity or Vanguard, help you learn how to interpret performance data or choose investments. Natural language search. Ask follow-up questions like, what happens to my Roth IRA if I withdraw early? Or, how do I maximize my returns in a Roth IRA? AI enables on-demand, tailored financial education. Step 10. Stay consistent and let AI do the work. The most important part of building wealth in a Roth IRA is consistency. AI helps by automating contributions, set monthly transfers from your checking account, sending nudges, get AI alerts if you miss a deposit or if markets change, adapting strategies. As your goals or life changes, AI will automatically adjust your strategy. By trusting the AI tools to manage and monitor your investments while you stay committed to regular contributions, you're setting yourself up for long-term, tax-free success. Final thoughts. AI has revolutionized how everyday people can plan for retirement. What used to require expensive financial advisors and deep market knowledge can now be done with intelligent, user-friendly platforms that handle the hard parts for you. By using AI to open, fund, and manage a Roth IRA, you'll save time, reduce mistakes, and increase your chances of a financially secure future. Start today. The sooner you begin, the more time your money has to grow, and AI will be there to help every step of the way. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.